Hey everyone, welcome back to Consumer Heaven, where we help you turn your kitchen into the heart of your home with the smartest tools and tips for American households. Now, here's a truth we can all agree on. A trash can might not sound exciting, but it's one of those things that can completely change the flow and feel of your kitchen. A good one keeps things clean, smell-free, and stylish, while a bad one, well, you know how that goes. So today, I'm counting down the top 5 best kitchen trash cans for 2025, from slim and modern to odor-fighting powerhouses. And don't forget, all the Amazon links for these products are down in the description below. Let's dive in. Number 5. Glad Slim Trash Can with Clorox Odor Protection. If you're short on space but big on cleanliness, this Glad Slim Trash Can is made for you. It's a 45-liter stainless steel can that's tall, narrow, and fits beautifully in tight kitchen spots, between counters, or beside the fridge. The real highlight is its Clorox odor protection technology that helps keep unwanted smells locked away. It also comes with a soft close lid, a step-on pedal, and even a built-in waste bag roll holder, which means you can store extra bags right inside the can. Best for small or now kitchens that need a modern, space-saving solution. Downside, its slim design makes it a little taller than average, so it might not fit perfectly under some counters. Number 4. Simple Human 50-liter/13-gallon rectangular step trash can. When it comes to premium kitchen trash cans, Simple Human is basically the brand everyone trusts. This 50-liter rectangular can is built from brushed stainless steel and features a soft close lid that shuts silently every single time. The pedal mechanism is engineered to last over 150,000 steps, which is like using it 20 times a day for more than 20 years. It's also fingerprint resistant, so your bin always looks clean and elegant. Best for those who want a long-lasting, high-end trash can that looks beautiful in modern kitchens. Downside, it's on the pricier side, but you're truly paying for durability and design. Number 3. Glad Premium 13-gallon trash can with odor protection. This one's a true crowd favorite, the Glad Premium 13-gallon trash can. It's made of high-quality plastic with a stainless steel step pedal and a lid infused with Clorox odor protection, so it traps smells and keeps your kitchen fresh. The can also has a garbage bag ring, which keeps the liner tucked neatly inside, no messy overhangs or slipping bags. Its black color gives a clean, modern vibe that works with any kitchen design. Best for families who need a reliable, odor-free trash can with easy hands-free use. Downside, the lid can feel a bit firm to push down at first, but it loosens up with use. Number 2. Rubbermaid Commercial Wastebasket Trash Container. Next up is a no-nonsense, heavy-duty option, the Rubbermaid Commercial Wastebasket. This one's not about fancy features, it's about toughness and simplicity. Made from durable plastic, this 10.25-gallon or 41-quart container is lightweight, sturdy, and fits perfectly under desks, sinks, or cabinets. It's also stackable, so you can easily separate recyclables or compost without taking up extra space. It's super easy to clean, dent-proof, and built to last for years. Best for anyone looking for a practical, low-cost, and durable bin that works anywhere, kitchen, office, or garage. Downside, it doesn't come with a lid or foot pedal, so it's best used in areas where odor control isn't a concern. Number 1. Amazon Basics Smudge-Resistant Rectangular Trash Can. And finally, taking the number 1 spot, the Amazon Basics Smudge-Resistant Rectangular Trash Can. This 30-liter, 7.9-gallon can is a perfect mix of style, function, and value. It's made with brushed stainless steel that's smudge-resistant, keeping fingerprints away so it always looks clean and polished. The soft close foot pedal gives you that quiet, effortless closing every time, and the rectangular design makes it space-efficient, ideal for smaller kitchens or apartments. Inside, there's a removable inner bucket that makes bag changes and cleaning super easy. Best for apartment owners or small households who want a sleek, durable, and affordable stainless steel trash can. Downside, the 7.9-gallon capacity might be too small for large families, but it's perfect for compact spaces. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best kitchen trash cans for 2025. Whether you're looking for something slim and modern, premium and long-lasting, or just a solid everyday option, there's something here for every American home and budget. Which one fits your kitchen best? Let me know down in the comments. I'd love to hear your pick. Don't forget, all the Amazon affiliate links for today's products are listed right below this video. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Consumer Heaven, and stay tuned for more kitchen tips, organization hacks, and product recommendations made just for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.